Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a tutorial video. I recently showed a couple of products by a company called Wig Guru. I showed a wig grip and I showed this adhesive stick, which is so good and different than anything else that's on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this adhesive stick in a couple different scenarios depending on how you like to put your wig on. So if you'd like to see how to use it and how to remove it, then stay tuned. People wear wigs for many different reasons. Some women wear wigs for religious reasons, some due to hair loss, others don't want to deal with their bio hair. Whatever your reason for wearing a wig, you can absolutely adhere it with Lace Stick by Wig Guru. I'm going to demonstrate two different ways to use the lace stick, one with the wig on my head and one with the wig off my head. Let's start with the wig on my head. This is a great technique if you're only looking to adhere maybe the front of your lace, or if you have some lace that is lifting. Lace can stretch out over time, and so you might have some lace that's not laying flat. This is perfect for that. So we're just going to twist the bottom until we get some of the adhesive, and then I'm just going to find a little spot. I'm going to lift it slightly, and then I'm just going to let the adhesive apply right underneath. So we're going to do this, and we're just going to go down. And now I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to press it down. And this is going to secure my wig so I don't have to worry about it coming off or slipping back and exposing my hairline. Now I'm just taking my comb and making sure I didn't get any hair in that adhesive, and I didn't, and now I'm just going to press. Sometimes if you have lifting lace, you can grab it by the ear tabs and pull down on either side, which will really help that to lay flat. And there you go. Now I just give it some time to dry and we're all set. If you're not comfortable doing it that way, do it with your wig off. So again, twist, add the adhesive to where you want that wig to be glued down, spread it along. You don't need a lot. Sometimes all you need to do is the very front, and if you need to spread this all the way down to the sides, you can absolutely do that. Then we're going to take our wig, we're going to put it on, and now I'm just going to slide it back into place. Don't worry, you have time to adjust your wig before it will really stick. Then I will press it down just like before. Take my comb once I've pressed it down, make sure I don't have any little hairs stuck in. If you get some and you need to use your little rat tail end, you can do that. And that's it, and let it dry. Let's say you're out and about and you notice your lace is lifting a little bit in one little place. This thing shines in that situation. Take it, get some of your adhesive out onto the spatula, and then I'll manufacture that. Let's just say it's lifting right there. All you have to do is, it's hard to see, spread it right on that spot, lay the hair down, lay the lace down, hold it down in that spot, and let it stick. And there you go. Lifting lace, not a problem anymore. Now it's time to remove your wig. All you need is a wet washcloth. Dab it on the lace right where you placed the adhesive, and just get the hair out of the way. Give it a moment to sort of set in. And let's say, see, it's lifting a little bit, but it's not fully released. So I'm just going to use just a little bit more water. How much water you need and how long you would like to wait will depend. If you don't want to get your hair very wet because you've got it styled and you don't want to have to restyle it, I would just dab it multiple times with less water and just let it sit for 30 seconds or so to release. There we go. It's nice and released. And so now you can take your wig off from the back or from the front, however you're most comfortable. And that's all there is to it. Let's answer a few common questions that people have. One of the most common questions is, will it damage my lace? This is a very gentle product that is also very water soluble. If you follow the instructions for removing it with a wet washcloth, you shouldn't have any problem with it damaging your lace. Just make sure that if any part of your lace is still sticking as you're looking to remove it, use a little bit more water and then you'll be fine. Along those same lines, people often ask, will it damage my biological hair? Well, let's talk about that a little bit. So as you can see, let me take this off. I do not have very much biological hair on the top of my head, but many women have a lot more hair than I do. And one of the best options for making sure that your hair is out of the way when you're adhering your wig is to use a wig grip. Wig Guru has a wig grip called Grip-A-Fix. It's a wonderful option for securing your bio hair and giving you even more security in keeping your wig on. When you put it on like I just did and push it back, your biological hair will go with it and stay out of the way. But if you do get some of the adhesive on your hair, no worries. It is water soluble, not only on your lace, not only on your skin, but also on your hair. So you don't have to worry about it damaging your biological hair. And finally, while this little tube is practically perfect in every way, sometimes there are larger adhesive needs. So Wig Guru is working on a bigger tube with a bigger adhesive area. So if you have those needs, stay tuned. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Wig Guru. They would be happy to help. Thanks for watching.